Hey, welcome to the Best of US Nvidia Daily Price Range Projection Calculator review. I'm going to break down today's price action on Nvidia, November 11th, 2024. Okay, look at the charts, and then I'm going to take you through the calculator, and we're going to check that out as well and see where we project the range to be for Tuesday, the 12th of November. So let's jump into the charts here real quick and take a look. So this is NVIDIA daily chart. Yellow line is the 63-day moving average. As a review, we use that because it represents a quarter of the year. The 15-day is anything less than 15 days is a trading period. So institutions trade basically on a 15-day period. And so we use that as a guide as well. So cool thing, uptrend still in the 15 and 63-day trends. We did have a drawdown in NVIDIA today. The high was $148.85, the low 143.54, and it closed out at 145.26. So more towards the lower end of that. The RSI did drop a bit to 61.27, still above 50, so still a bullish type pattern. MACD basically is neutral at this point, showing some signs of weakening. It is a longer term indicator. And then the slow stochastic is still bullish. It's in the overbought area. So I'm expecting a little bit more volatility tomorrow in NVIDIA. And then I'm thinking Wednesday we could see a pop higher. So let's now take a look at the calculator here. All right, so when you go to the Best of US Investors website, if you're not getting the email, it's a free subscription to the NVIDIA daily price range projections. And so I send that out in the morning. Some of the numbers I'm about to show you may update a little bit overnight, just really depends on the data, where I get my data feed. So once you log in, you of course go to the my account, you log in, and you go over here to free stuff. We have education material, we have articles. You can also do look up, and I'll show you that at the end because that's pretty cool. We just added that. So you hit the NVIDIA daily price range, and it brings up the latest. So this information isn't totally updated yet because I'm waiting for some data to come in, but the 15-day trend is still up. The 63-day trend is still up. We reviewed that. Um, NVIDIA closed out at $140.26, so a drawdown. So Friday, a drawdown. It was sold off a little bit. And then today, chances are they come in packs of three, thinking sets of five. So if you get three drawdown days, if the third day is more less volume, more consolidated look, there's a good chance then it'll pivot from there, and the fourth and fifth day will be days higher moves. Just go back and look at the charts, and you'll see that pattern. So our calculations after market, post market, our calculations may change just a bit in the morning. So definitely come back and check in the morning for an update, but we expect a low end to be 134, which is lower than it was today. So we have a lower low end than yesterday, or yeah, yesterday. Not yesterday. So yeah, so the projected for tomorrow is 134 on the low end. Today it was 138. So it is a lower low. And the high was 153 projected for today. Now it's a lower high and it's 151. So when you get these series of lower lows and lower highs, you see the momentum starting to change, as we saw here in the price. Yet on the eyeball premium and discount, we're still seeing people are willing to pay more for protection, and they're willing to pay about 45% more than the normal price for puts on Nvidia. Think in a contrarian point of view that the more premium people are willing to pay for puts, if something positive comes, there's more umph or energy. It's like pushing a spring down. Once you take your hand off, that spring explodes higher. So we went from Friday's close at 38% premium to 45% premium. So we're seeing a 3 days of up movement in the premium. And that gives me positive vibes there that the Nvidia stock will move higher probably in the next 72 hours or so. So next 3 trading days. Not tomorrow. I'm expecting another low, maybe closer to the 140 area. We'll see. Don't mark my words. It's not advice or recommendation. This is our projections based on quantitative calculations. So overall, I guess what I'm saying is here is that Nvidia in a 15-day period still is very positive. Um, so we're expecting more potential upside. We had a number of up days up into the election. We had a big boom after the election. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it pulled back. Now we're seeing a pullback from that move higher. And we're going to be watching volume on these sell-offs, on these selling days. And we're going to be looking at the range for which the intraday high and lows are. And if they start to narrow, you start to see more of a slowing of that selling element. Once it bottoms, so typically on the third of five, you'll see a bottoming and that volume will consolidate, be smaller, and the range of highs and lows intraday will be also tighter. And then I would expect, unless something, an unknown market event happens, something comes out, we do have some economic numbers coming out, inflation in particular. Um, who knows? I mean, SMCI sort of blindsided a lot of people. So those kind of events are unexpected. You can't calculate that into the formula, but what we're using here is a quantitative approach, numbers based, statistics, and probability. On the fourth day, we potentially could see Nvidia start making a move higher and starting that staircase back up to all-time highs. But there is resistance up there at the all-time high. Once we see a push through that, then it just keeps going up. So it staircases. $135 was a hard barrier to punch through for Nvidia. It went sideways for a little while and then eventually may move through and went higher, and that's where we are today. So it's a process. Follow it by using the calculator. The Nvidia daily price range calculator gives you a range of where things are and the direction on a 15 and 63-day period moving average. So, I was going to show you the new addition to our website here. All right, let me show you this new free edition we put on the website. Go under free stuff, symbol lookup tool. Go over here, type in, say, Apple, AAPL, put that in, and it gives you a chart, which you can adjust the time frame as well. Gives you some financials on Nvidia, gives you explanation of Nvidia and where they do business and who they are. Gives you a technical indicator as well, or a measurement. Let's do it daily. So they're saying Nvidia, Apple in this case, is a sell. This is fueled by TradingViews, which is a charting system I use. And then news throughout the month, the last couple months on Apple. So pretty nifty little thing. It's totally free to you. Check it out if you're trying to do some quick research, that kind of thing. You can add indicators as well, change the type of charts. I use candlesticks. So mine's set up that way. But anyways, check it out. It's very awesome. Oh, and then of course we have the different services we have. And our platinum service, we do have a 14-day free trial, which is awesome. It's $60 a month. I just made a video that you can watch and get some information on what we're providing here. But Mark put up 3 new swing trades on the watch list today. And on Sunday, he put up 40 different momentum trades. And they're a lot more volatile than the swing trading, but there are two different types of investing. Swing trading is more longer term, I would say a week to 2 week kind of periods of time, whereas momentum trading is like day trading, that kind of thing. So Mark updates those on a daily basis. Check out the video, but we do have a 14-day free trial. You should definitely check it out. We've got a lot of good stuff in there. And along with our Discord, where the community gets together, we discuss what's going on in the markets. Mark does some education in there as well. We have some education videos here as well. So when you become a member, you just click, and we have some charting education videos as well. Definitely check out this. If you sign up, check out the Platinum Swing Trading charts, part 1 and part 2. He breaks down charts, how to set them up, that kind of thing. And then a bunch of other kind of videos. We're always adding to it. So definitely check it out. In the meantime, like I said, the Nvidia daily price range projection calculator is free. Hit the link below and sign up. I send out an email in the morning, just before market, typically 7:45 or so Central Time. So you'll get that. And you can always go back and log in and check out what the calculator is telling you anytime on the website. In the meantime, have a great day and always live loud.